In this video, we are going to teach you how to submit an event through the Veterans App on an Android device. So we're going to navigate to the Events tab first at the bottom, and then we're going to click on this button at the top of the screen that is going to let us go to the Submit an Event page. Once we get here, the first thing that you're going to notice is that you need to put in a title for the event. So let's say that's DAV meeting, just an example. And then also description of the event. You'll need to put information like what people need to bring to the event, something about it, that sort of thing in this box here. We'll leave it blank for the test purposes, just write test. In these two boxes, you're going to want to be professional. We don't want to have a ton of spelling errors or anything. Try to keep up the appearance on the app. In this next portion, you're going to pick the date for your event. Right now, it shows the current date of today. So you tap there, and then you're going to pick the day that the event is going to take place on. Let's say the 11th. And then we're going to pick the start time of the event on that day. Use the first slider, pick the hour. We'll say 1 p.m. Then we tap OK. And then we're going to pick an end time by tapping on the end time. We're going to say that it ends at 3. The next slider will come up. p.m. Alright, now that you got the date and time set up, you're going to go down to address. Now, the address is important to get correct because if you have a correct address in here, it will show a map ping to people on the app. So this is just going to be a mock address because I do not have a real one right now. Alright, when you have the street and the city filled out, you'll have one last set of options where you can submit a photo, take a photo with your camera, or submit a document. And so if we pick the photo option, it will bring you to your camera roll here. Then you can tap one of these and it will submit here at the bottom. You can see it. After you're all done with that, you're going to click the submit button. Now this event has been submitted to some admins, and they will look over your event first to see if everything looks straight with it, and then they will either approve or reject that event. Based on what they think, you will get a status notification back to you when one of those two is selected. And that will conclude how to submit an event on the Veterans App Android version.